Hi YouTubers, JD here, 26, and we're making a base for the Elvira model that we just painted. And what we did was we took the tool here, actually this end, and we scored cracks in the clay. This is a wet clay, which is a drying clay. You can also put it in the oven and dry it at about 125 degrees, very slow. If you try to put too much heat to this clay, being the thickness it is, it will crack. So you have to be careful, and you might have to glue it back together. So this is in the wet stage, and we take this tissue paper right here afterwards, and we knock down everything. We actually wet the tissue paper. We used to spit it in art class, and you just wet it with your spit and put texture into the to the base like this, and knock it down. Knock down all the things, the scratches, and put texture. And you keep rotating. See the pattern of the tissue it makes. You just look at it, and it'll give it texture if you keep it wet, the tissue paper. So that's what I want to show you. That's what I'm up to, and today. And I know a lot of videos coming your way, and the bell's ringing like crazy. But I like to show you this content when I do it, and not miss a beat. So make sure you ring the little bell to the right, and that'll give you notifications. And please watch my videos, and have a great day. Thank you for watching.